Subscribe, cute baby. Don't forget to like the video.
Hot cross buns, golden in the oven, rising one by one with raisins sweet and icing runs. Morning starts with hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, tasty treats for everyone. Warm and soft, oh what fun! Sing along with hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, fresh and neat, perfect little pastries you love to